Need to cut it out or something? Oh, you'll sort it out.
Hi guys, so we're gonna make a drawing video
with scissors.
So we're gonna draw an airplane and then we're gonna cut it out.
Yeah.
So first you want to grab a black. And then first you wanna I'll draw something and then I'll show you guys so you can see. Okay, so first you want to go straight in the middle of your thing and then curve down back and then you curve back up again. Okay, so like this, like that. And then you're going to make an upside down U at the very bottom of it. Okay, so like this. And then
gonna make it
so inside you're going to draw a oval, like a long oval, like this. Right in here.
Let's say you draw one. Mine looks like a boat.
And then draw a line at the bottom, come down, and then draw another line a little bit farther from that and come down. So it looks like a duck, almost. Okay, so now we're gonna make a circle right under it. And then do it on another one. So it looks a little weird, but we still got to add details to it so it looks better.
Yeah, but mine looks like a boat, Kobe. Look. A little.
Okay, so now at the very front, you're going to make a sideways U. Right here. And then you're going to do a cross on it, an X. And then you're going to connect them. Like that. So that's it. We'll do another one. We'll see you all next time. Goodbye.